Nyasi mar goyo erokamano ne obagne jatend piny Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta kudong' jumbe ariyo to kinde ne rumo ka odhi e yweyo. Jatend piny ne okawo thuolo e nyasino manyo bagi kar jot mare mar puoyo jotije mar kar jotno kuom chiwore kendo tiyo ne piny Kenya kane opuoyogi kuom sire kendo ni ochopo kare ting' mare ne oganda jo Kenya. Nyasino noywore kod jotend din mopogore opogore kaachiel kod jotich duto mar kar jotno.
Jahazi ya serikali ama nchi haisimami, yaendelea. Sisi tulichukua usukani kutoka kwa wengine na tutapatia wengine, kwa sababu nchi lazima isonge mbele. Yangu kwa sababu vile tulipata wengi wenu mkiwa hapa, wengi wenu pia tutawawacha hapa, na yangu ni kuwaomba vile tumefanya kazi pamoja, pia mshirikiane na hawa wengine ambao watakuja na muwasaidie pia kutimiza mengi na makubwa hata zaidi, na ndio hii nchi yetu iweze kusonga mbele.
We just want to ask that the Lord will bless you, that the Lord will keep you, that the Lord will strengthen your codes, that the Lord will enlarge your territory, but above all, together with your family, that no pestilence will come before you, that 1,000 may fall on your right-hand side and 10,000 will fall on your left-hand side, but no harm will come upon you. We will miss you. You miss us, but we will miss you more as your staff, and we will miss you the most as the president of this republic.